I got PS4 Pro console and the customer said the console is not turned on. So in this video, I will try to fix PS4 Pro. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like. First thing first, I connect the power cable and I will test the power button. And as you can see guys, the console is not turned on. The second option is I will try to turn on through the disk drive. Just put any disk and see if the console is turned on, because sometimes the power button stop working. And as you can see, also through the disk drive is not working. That means they have issue on the console. It could be power supply, it could be motherboard issue. So let's open it and see. First thing, they have screws here, but in this console they have no screws. So someone maybe tried to open it. And also missing the screw for uh, the hard drive. This console need a clean, so hopefully after I fix it I will clean it. So first we need to open the four screws. The four screws open. Let's go to another side. On this side they have a lot of screws, so you need to open all these screws. All screws open. I don't need to make a long video, so everything should be good. Orbital cable is open. This side ready. Let's take the power supply from another side. Most of the issue for PS4 Pro is the power supply, so I will try to open the power supply and test the voltage. Oh, it's looked like the connector for the power supply damaged. As you can see guys, yes, the connector is damaged. So let's fix this issue. As you can see guys, here's the issue. So let's solder this connector here. I need to make two join or two connection from this side to here and from this side here to here. This is what I did. As you can see guys, I make connections, so the port is ready to return. So let's clean it. Everything should be perfect, but I use solder mask to protect everything. Alright, so I use a UV light, and for sure this console need a deep clean. If you like to watch another video for how to clean it, please leave a comment and tell me to make a part 2. Let's return the board and test. Before I return all the other parts, I connect the cable to test. So let's see if the console is turned on. They have sound and the fan it's working. So this console is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.